Hello ladies and gentlemen, my video guide is about removing Markably.info pop-ups. Markably.info. This is the website. I have made it highlighted in my browser, and the pop-up causes a lot of redirections to random websites, and Markably.info may appear randomly in your screen and basically infect your system as a result of these redirections. So you should be very careful not to trust these alerts, not to interact with them. They may tell you some faulty information that you need to click on allow to prove that you are not a robot, or supposedly to fix your internet connection, or to verify your age, or some other misleading and totally faulty alerts. So stay away from clicking on this block button, and if you have mistakenly done that, or if you have clicked on the allow button, here is what you need to do to disable these pop-ups. Now you go to Google Chrome settings, you scroll down to the bottom of the page, click on the advanced. Then you go to site settings and you find notifications. Okay, here is this website. You need to click here and to click on remove, and again click here and remove. I also recommend that you scan your Windows computer with the software called Gridinsoft Anti-Malware, and the link is this system-tips.net/download-removal-tool. And if you use your Mac computer, I recommend you to download Combo Cleaner using this link, and scan your computers with either of these two programs depending on your operating system, and your browser and your entire system will be fixed thanks to these two reliable anti-malware utilities. Thank you for your attention. Bye.